Today we will learn about 14 words and phrases related to the topic airport. The first word is in advance. In advance. It means before the time that is expected. For example, it's usually cheaper to buy airplane tickets in advance. Another example, is it cheaper to buy movie tickets in advance? The next word is economy class. Economy class. It means the cheapest class of air travel. For example, they always fly economy class. Another example, do you like to fly economy class or business class? The next word is economical. Economical. It means providing good service or value in relation to the amount of time or money spent. For example, it is usually economical to fly economy class. The next word is traffic congestion. Traffic congestion. It means the state of being crowded and full of traffic. For example, there is traffic congestion on the way to the airport. Another example, heavy congestion was reported on many motorways. The next word is terminal. Terminal. It means a building or set of buildings at an airport where passengers arrive and leave. For example, your flight leaves from Terminal 3. Another example, they are inside a terminal. The next word is check-in. Check-in. It means the place where you go to at an airport to leave your bags, cases, and show your ticket. For example, please arrive at check-in at least 2 hours before departure. Next word is departure. Departure. It means an act of leaving a place. For example, our departure was delayed because of bad weather. Another example, they are waiting for their flight at the departure gate. The next word is significantly. Significantly. It means in a way that is large or important enough to have an effect on something or to be noticed. For example, Airport Director Bieber noted that over the last several years, passengers have increased significantly. Another example, the number decreased significantly. The next word is room. Room. It means empty space that can be used for a particular purpose. For example, there is not enough room here at the airport. The next word is extensive remodeling. Extensive remodeling. It means a significant process of improving a building. For example, without extensive remodeling, there is not enough room here at the airport. Another example, the fire caused extensive damage. The next word is source. Source. It means a person or thing that causes something. For example, the congestion in the departure area has been an ongoing source of complaints. Another example, books are a useful source of information. The next word is deal with. Deal with. It means to solve a problem. For example, we have to deal with the problem reported by passengers. Another example, they discuss different ways of dealing with the complaints. The next word is address. Address. It also means to solve a problem. For example, some airlines have addressed similar problems. Another example, we need to address these concerns. The final word is make it to somewhere. Make it to somewhere. It means to be able to be present at a place. For example, I'm stuck at the airport, so I don't think I'll make it back to work tomorrow. So you have learned 14 phrases and words related to the topic airport. Now please pause the video and do this exercise. Here's the answer key. So that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.